This video is going to help you to make the best red velvet cake, and this is how I made mine. Thank you, and you're welcome back to my channel. First, we are going to sieve our dried ingredients, and these are the all-purpose flour, our corn flour, our cocoa powder, some baking powder, and baking soda as well. You do not want to miss that baking soda, okay? Yes, we will sieve this nicely and then we'll stir to ensure everything is well combined. Let's set this aside and proceed to mix our wet ingredients. First, you need a bowl and add some butter to it. If you have margarine, fine, but in this video I'm using butter, some sugar, okay, and we are going to also mix this till everything is well combined and you just see the consistency we are going for, something just like this, okay. Now we are going to put in our eggs, but first we'll start with one, and after the first one is well combined and mixed very well, yes, we'll proceed to add the second one. You want to do it in bits, and please make sure you break your egg into a separate bowl before putting it into your mixture, okay, into your mixture, sorry. That's so you know if your egg is bad or not. You do not want to break a bad egg into this whole mixture. It will just spoil everything for you, so make sure you put it in a different bowl before pouring it. That way you will be able to examine it better. Now we added some buttermilk, okay, buttermilk, and we'll mix this till everything is well combined. And after this I added some pineapple flavor as well, and now we add our dried ingredients, and I'm going ahead to mix this until everything is smooth. You do not want to mix it too much, yes, to be smooth but not very smooth, because you do not want to mix it too much. Let's add our red food color. And with this, you can, depending on how bright you want your red velvet cake, that is how you should add your food color to it. And just use a spatula to mix it again. Spread some butter in your baking pan, or if you have any baking sheet, just put it in it. Beat it a little to take some air bubbles from it, and I will transfer this into the oven to bake. Everything will be in the description. All the details you need to do this will be in the description. Poke a toothpick into it. If it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. Now we set this aside and allow it to cool. Thank you so much for watching to this stage, and please, if you see this video or if you are finding this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Also click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I post another video. So what I did here was to use the spatula to just clean the side so nothing stick to it, and then we put it on a flat surface where we are going to work on it. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again, and thank you for always coming back to support this channel. Now I just want to cut it this way so I'll be able to use the top to make some design. Yes, not a serious one, but just something that will just look beautiful. Yes, so we set this aside, and now we will just put our, so with this I just use some whipped cream powder and milk, okay, and I whisk this till it become very smooth, just as you see. If you want a video on that, please comment that in the comment section, and then I'll gladly post a video of that. This is the final look, and this cake tastes so good. I hope you are going to try this and you get back to me in the comment section. All the ingredients will be in the description, so please do not forget to read all the details in the description to get this, or to be able to achieve this same look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.